Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making eggs and hot dogs for breakfast or lunch. So let's get started. Yeah, to make our delicious eggs and hot dogs for breakfast or lunch, we have 4 regular beef hot dogs here, and we have a half a cup of cheddar cheese and a half a cup of mozzarella cheese. And back here we have our mixed vegetables. It's a green pepper, red pepper, and some onions. And up here we have our 2 large eggs that we're going to use. And over here we have our seasonings. Yep, there's a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. Yep, and a half a teaspoon of parsley flakes. Yeah, that sounds good, doesn't it? Okay, let's get some of this out of our way and we'll start slicing up our nice beef hot dogs. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, and because I forgot to sharpen my knife, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and use this any sharp knife sharpener, and we're going to go ahead and sharpen it real quick. Alright, let's do that. I'll hold it down. And we'll pull it through there maybe 3 times. Okay, that's all there is to it. Let's put this aside. Okay, let's see how sharp this is. Let's go ahead and cut up our hot dogs. You know, make them about 1/4 inch thick. And we'll get a bowl and we'll put them right in there. Okay, there's our hot dogs all sliced up. Yep. Alright, let's put them aside. And we don't need our cutting board anymore, so we'll put that away. Now we're going to take a bowl. Yep. And we're going to crack a couple eggs in there. Now we're going to go ahead and add an ounce of milk. Put that right in there. And we're going to get all our good seasonings and we're going to put them in there. And now we're going to go ahead and mix that up. Yeah. You know, beat it up. Yeah. All right. Okay, that looks good. Okay, now all we have to do is start cooking. Let's do that. Okay, let's set our burner on a medium high. And we'll put a little oil in the pan. And we'll let that get hot. Okay, our pan seems hot enough. Let's go ahead and take our hot dogs that we sliced up and put them right in there. And we'll stir them around. Try to brown them a little bit. Okay, now we're going to add about a half a teaspoon of minced garlic. Now we're going to go ahead and add our vegetables, you know, our red and green bell peppers and onions. We'll put about over half of them in there. We'll save a little bit. Okay. Okay, let's lower our heat to medium-low. Kind of spread it around and make them kind of even, you know. Now we're going to go ahead and take our egg mixture, and we're going to go ahead and mix that up a little bit. Okay, and we'll pour that right in there. Okay, let's go ahead and cover that and let that cook for about 5 minutes. Okay, let's take a look. It's been about 4 minutes. Oh yeah, it's looking good. Okay, let's take our cheddar cheese and we'll put some of that on there. Because we like our cheddar. Yeah, it's really good. Okay. And we'll take some of our mozzarella cheese and we'll kind of put that on the top here. Okay, that's a half a cup of cheddar and a half a cup of mozzarella cheese. Okay. Boy, that ought to taste good. Now we're going to put the remainder of our green peppers and red peppers and onions. We'll kind of put them on there to make it look nice, right? Okay, that's it. Boy, that does look nice. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and cover that for another 3-4 minutes. Okay, it's been about 4 more minutes. Let's see how we're doing. Oh, wow, look at that. Really, that looks really tasty. Okay, let's shut off our burner and get ready to have a taste test. Boy, does that smell good. I wish you could smell this because it's really tasty smelling. Yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and plate that up and have a taste test. Yeah, I can't wait to taste that right there. Okay guys, here it is. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Yep. Eggs and hot dogs. Yeah, I bet you this is going to taste good. Alright, let's see if we can get that out of there. Can you see it? Alright. We'll get right under there and get it out of there. Wow, look at that. Boy, does that smell good. And I'll bet you it's going to taste even better. Yeah, for a nice breakfast or lunch, you can't beat this. I'm going to go ahead and add a little more salt on top. Not much, just a little bit. And a little bit of pepper. Okay. And I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of parsley flakes on top of there. Just like that. Okay. That's it. And boy, does that look good. Okay. Let's just go ahead and slice it up a little bit and have a taste test. Okay, we'll go this way. And maybe we'll go this way. Okay. Okay, this is way too hot, so I'm going to use a spatula to pick it up and show you. So let's go ahead and get under this slice here. And see how we're doing? Look at the cheese, guys. That is awesome. Can you see it? Yeah. Wow. Okay. I might be able to pick it up. I don't think so, though. Let's see. Yeah, I can pick it up. Alright, it's hot. Wow, is that hot. Can you see it? Alright, look at the hot dogs in there. Alright, let's have a bite. Wow, look at the cheese. That's unbelievable. Wow, is that tasty. I mean, really tasty. The spices and everything that were in that egg, yep, that did the trick. The little bit of smoked paprika, added to that hot dog flavor, yeah, that worked out really good. And the peppers and onions and all, Yeah, can't beat that. Just go ahead and make them this way because they're really tasty. And it probably will feed maybe 4 people, you know, because it's pretty thick. You know, it's loaded with cheese. Yeah, and hot dogs. Well, there you go, guys. Delicious eggs and hot dogs for breakfast or lunch. And yeah, you could probably even have this for dinner. You know, for your guests when they come over, they won't know the difference, you know. They'll think it's a dinner just by looking at it. And when they taste the hot dogs in there with the smoked paprika and all that good seasoning, they'll love it for dinner too, I think. What do you guys think? You think they will? Okay, you know what'll go good with this though? Since I'm probably having it for lunch, you guessed it, but I'm gonna have a nice cold snack, maybe a soda pop this time. Okay guys, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Yeah, delicious eggs and hot dogs for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, I think. You can't beat that.